Tiny seed, mighty benefits. An introduction to flax seeds. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, have been cultivated for thousands of years. These small, brown or golden seeds are not only a staple in traditional diets, but have also gained popularity in modern health circles. Don't let their small size fool you. Despite their diminutive appearance, flax seeds are packed with an impressive array of nutrients that can have a significant impact on your health. Flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is essential for heart health. Additionally, they are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, these tiny seeds offer a range of health benefits. The antioxidants, known as lignans, have been shown to have anti-cancer properties and can help balance hormones. For centuries, flax seeds have been a staple in traditional diets. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and the Greeks, recognized their health benefits and incorporated them into their daily meals. Today, modern science is confirming their incredible potential. Research has shown that flax seeds can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even improve skin health. From boosting heart health to improving digestion, flax seeds are a versatile addition to any diet. They can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from smoothies and yogurt to salads and baked goods. Whether you're looking to enhance your overall well-being or simply want to try a new superfood, flax seeds are worth exploring. They are easy to find in most grocery stores and can be purchased whole, ground, or as an oil. Get ready to discover the amazing ways these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your life. From their rich nutritional profile to their versatility in the kitchen, flax seeds are a small but mighty addition to your diet, so why not give them a try and experience their benefits for yourself? A heart-healthy habit. Flax seeds and cardiovascular wellness. Flax seeds, tiny yet mighty, have been celebrated for their numerous health benefits, particularly for the heart. These small seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to promoting cardiovascular wellness. Heart disease remains a leading health concern globally. It affects millions of people each year, leading to serious health complications and even death. However, the fight against heart disease can start with something as simple as what we put on our plates. The good news is that simple dietary changes can make a significant impact. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into our daily meals can help us maintain a healthy heart. Among these foods, flax seeds stand out due to their exceptional nutritional profile. Flax seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, are a heart-healthy choice. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own, making it crucial to obtain them from our diet. These fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support heart health. Studies show that regular consumption of flax seeds can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. High blood pressure and elevated cholesterol are major risk factors for heart disease, and flax seeds can play a role in managing these conditions. The fiber in flax seeds helps remove excess cholesterol from the body, acting like a broom that sweeps away harmful substances. This not only helps in reducing cholesterol levels, but also promotes overall digestive health. While omega-3s support healthy blood flow, they help keep the arteries flexible and reduce the risk of plaque buildup, ensuring that blood can flow smoothly throughout the body. This is vital for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier heart. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or add them to your baking, flax seeds are versatile and easy to include in your meals. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to cardiovascular health. Making flax seeds a regular part of your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your heart and overall well-being. So, start today and take a step towards a healthier, happier heart. The fiber powerhouse. Flax seeds for digestion and regularity. Struggling with digestive issues? Flax seeds might be the answer. These tiny seeds are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water in the gut, promoting regularity and relieving constipation. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, aiding in smooth digestion. Adding flax seeds to your diet can help regulate bowel movements and prevent digestive discomfort. Remember to drink plenty of water when increasing your fiber intake. This will help the fiber work its magic in your digestive system. Glowing from within. Flax seeds for skin and hair health. Want radiant skin and lustrous hair? Look no further than flax seeds. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds nourish the skin from within, promoting a healthy glow. These fatty acids also strengthen hair follicles, reducing breakage and promoting hair growth. Furthermore, flax seeds are a good source of lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties that protect skin cells from damage. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can contribute to a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Omega-3 boost flax seeds as a plant-based source. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for overall health and vitality. While fatty fish is a well-known source, flax seeds offer a valuable plant-based alternative. This is particularly beneficial for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Adding flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt is an easy way to boost your omega-3 intake. These healthy fats support brain function, reduce inflammation, and contribute to overall well-being and a healthier lifestyle. Beyond the seed, exploring flaxseed oil and its uses. While flax seeds are incredibly versatile, flaxseed oil offers a concentrated dose of beneficial compounds. This oil is extracted from flax seeds and is particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed oil can be added to salad dressings or drizzled over cooked vegetables. However, it's important to note that flaxseed oil is not suitable for cooking at high temperatures. Heat can damage its delicate fatty acids. Always store flaxseed oil in a cool, dark place to preserve its freshness and nutritional value. Incorporating flax seeds into your daily diet. Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. They are a versatile ingredient that can easily be added to a variety of meals, enhancing both flavor and nutritional value. Adding flax seeds to your diet is easier than you think. These small seeds can be incorporated into your meals in numerous ways, making it simple to enjoy their health benefits daily. Their mild, nutty flavor complements a variety of dishes. Whether you prefer sweet or savory foods, flax seeds can seamlessly blend into your favorite recipes without overpowering the taste. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a nutritional boost. Just a tablespoon can add a significant amount of fiber and omega-3s to your breakfast, helping you start your day on a healthy note. Add them to baked goods like muffins and cookies for extra fiber and healthy fats. Flax seeds can enhance the texture and nutritional profile of your favorite treats, making them a healthier option for you and your family. You can even use ground flax seeds as an egg replacement in vegan baking. This simple substitution not only makes your recipes vegan-friendly, but also adds a dose of beneficial nutrients. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of water to replace 1 egg. This mixture works well in a variety of baked goods, from cakes to pancakes, ensuring your recipes remain moist and delicious. Experiment with different ways to enjoy the remarkable benefits of flax seeds. Try adding them to soups, stews, and casseroles, or even use them as a topping for avocado toast. The possibilities are endless, and with a little creativity, you can find countless ways to incorporate these nutritious seeds into your daily diet. Remember, consistency is key. By making flax seeds a regular part of your diet, you can reap their long-term health benefits, including improved digestion, heart health, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. So, start today and discover the many delicious and nutritious ways to enjoy flax seeds every day. A word of caution: potential side effects and considerations. While flax seeds are generally safe for consumption, it's important to be mindful of potential side effects. Consuming large amounts of flax seeds, especially without sufficient water, can lead to digestive issues like bloating and gas. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a pre-existing medical condition, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before adding flax seeds to your diet. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and any potential interactions. The journey to wellness. Knowledge is power. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. This information is intended for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have specific health concerns, always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Embrace the journey of learning about nutrition and making informed choices for your well-being. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and vitality. Join the conversation. Stay connected for more health insights. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the incredible benefits of flax seeds. We believe in empowering individuals with the knowledge to make healthy choices. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more insightful content on natural health, nutrition, and wellness. Together, let's embark on a journey towards a healthier and happier life.